Hello viewers, in this session we are going to discuss about vitamin B7 which is also known as biotin. Biotin is a imidazole derivative. It is a sulfur containing compound or a sulfur containing vitamin, and the sources of biotin are yeast, liver, legumes, egg, milk, meat, fish, and also intestinal bacteria also synthesize biotin, and the requirement of the biotin is 20 to 30 micrograms per day. The biotin is very essential for various biochemical functions. The coenzyme form of biotin is biotin itself. The biotin itself acts as a coenzyme. Carboxylation reaction require biotin coenzymes. So the biotin coenzyme is utilized for carboxylation reactions. One of the examples shown in the illustration, you can see carboxylation means addition of carbon dioxide. In this example, acetyl CoA plus CO2, and the carbon dioxide is going to get condensed with acetyl CoA to form malonyl CoA. This reaction is performed by acetyl CoA carboxylase, and in this you can see the biotin is involved along with the ATP energy molecule. Hence, for carboxylation reactions, biotin is very essential. Similarly, other examples of carboxylase enzymes are propionyl CoA carboxylase and pyruvate carboxylase. Hence, carboxylase enzymes requires biotin for its function. Next is the deficiency. Deficiency of biotin is very rare as they are widely distributed in the foods and synthesized by intestinal bacteria. In experimental animals, deficiency produces anorexia, depression, insomnia, and muscle pain and dermatitis. Hence, the sufficient biotin should be taken to maintain the normal physical health. Otherwise, these type of complications occurs due to deficiency of biotin. High consumption of raw eggs can also lead to biotin deficiency. The biotin is going to be deficient because of eating the raw eggs without boiling, and the process is called as egg white injury factor. The egg white contains a glycoprotein avidin. Avidin is an antivitamin of biotin, antivitamin which is going to avoid the absorption of biotin. It combines very highly tightly with the biotin and prevents its absorption and inducing biotin deficiency. Eating large amount of raw eggs for a long time can cause biotin deficiency, which is called egg white injury factor. So eat egg after boiling with not eating raw egg. Hence boil the egg and eat, otherwise it will lead to deficiency of vitamin biotin. Eating denaturates avidin as avidin is a protein, eliminating its biotin binding capacity. But it has been estimated that 20 raw eggs per day would be required to induce a deficiency syndrome. Hence, this is very rare case since no one will eat 20 raw eggs in a day. Inclusion of an occasional raw egg in diet does not cause biotin deficiency. So 1 or 2 eggs no problem, but eating the raw eggs in large quantity can cause biotin deficiency. Next is folic acid. Folic acid, folium means leaf. Leaf means ila or leaf. Contains folic acid in large quantity. Hence, you can see in the sources green leafy vegetables, yeast, liver, egg, and whole grains. So, various type of green leafy vegetables contains folic acid. Milk is a poor source of folic acid. Folic acid requirement is 200 microgram per day. Requirement increases during pregnancy and lactation conditions. The biochemical function of folic acid, it forms a coenzyme called as tetrahydrofolate TH4. T means tetra, H means hydro, F means folate. Tetrahydrofolate is required for one carbon metabolism as the carrier of various one carbon compounds. The one carbon compounds are substances that contains only one carbon, such as methyl group, methylene group, methanyl group, formyl group, and form amino group. Tetrahydrofolate acts as carrier of one carbon compounds and serves as acceptor of or donor of these one carbon compounds. Hence, in various types of biochemical metabolic functions involving one carbon, folic acid is very essential. The other function of folic acid, the folic acid reduces the level of homocysteine in the blood, and thereby it helps in the preventing the heart disease, because homocysteine can cause heart disease and its level is decreased by folic acid. It prevents the birth defects like fetal malformations such as spina bifida, which is one of the birth defect seen in deficiency conditions. The deficiency of folic acid causes megaloblastic anemia. Mega means big, blast of RBC cells takes place because of large size of the RBC and causing anemia. And hence, these are the few deficiency factors of folic acid. We'll discuss the rest of the vitamins in the next session. Thank you.